So in this video, you'll learn how to use the voice recorder app on your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. So the first step is to launch the voice recorder app, and then from here, you should see this microphone icon at the very bottom of the screen. Tap on it once, and then you'll need to allow voice recorder access to send you notifications. Tap on allow, and you'll also notice in the background, the voice recorder is active. So everything that you're saying will be recorded, and you can just continue speaking as you go along, whether it's an interview or it's just a memo that you want to remember for later. If you want to pause the voice recording, just tap on this pause button there, and it will pause the voice recording. You can do whatever it is that you want to do, and then you can come back and tap on record again, and you can continue with the voice recording. If you want to stop it, just tap on stop like that. And then once you've done that, you can then give your voice recording a name. And then you can also choose to create a whole new category for that specific recording. So categories allow you to differentiate between what the recording is about. So you can have multiple. So for example, you can have one for interviews, one for music, one for all sorts of things. So you can go ahead and select add category and then create your own custom one. Or you can just choose to leave it at none and tap on save. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to the recordings menu and you can see your saved voice recording. So if you ever want to listen to it, just tap on it once and then tap on play in the very middle bottom of the screen. And if you have enough volume to send you notifications, tap on allow and you'll be able to hear the voice recording being played. If you've upgraded your Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra to the latest version of One UI 7, then you will be able to use the Galaxy AI feature, Transcribe, in order for you to transcribe your voice recording. So you can see it's listed right there. So if I tap on it, it will go ahead and transcribe my voice recording. So just add the languages that you're going to be using. And then once the language packs have been installed onto your phone, you'll then be able to go through the process of transcribing the voice recording. So just go back as you wait for the language packs to install and then wait patiently. And then you can swipe down for notifications so that you can keep track of the download. And once the language pack has been installed, you can go back to your transcribing settings, tap on transcribe again, and wait for it to be analyzed as it's being transcribed into text. So just wait patiently. And then you can see your transcription listed right there. And so now you have your transcript, and if it's an especially long voice recording, you can always tap on summary and it will just summarize the long transcript into something that just has any keywords or comments that were mentioned in the voice recording. This can be incredibly useful, especially if you're doing a long interview and you just want any key points that were previously mentioned. And so that's how you can use the voice recording app on your Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.